Hi, this is Roy from Norse Effects. Welcome to the first analysis of 2018. I hope you enjoyed this holiday and got to spend some time with friends and family, and that you're re-energized to hit 2018 with a bang. So in this video, I will talk a bit about my personal trading goals for 2018, and we have some analysis right here. So I have four setups or four plans that I'm ready to execute on. One of them is my robot's work. So my robot is set to do some work, heavy lifting on one of the currency pairs. Watch the video to find out more about that plan. It's very simple. And I will talk a bit about my personal trading goals for 2018. You probably know that my win rate right now is 50%. So my plan for 2018 is to have a 15% loss reduction. So meaning if I take 200 trades, I know that 100 of them will become losers. So my plan for 2018 is to reduce 15 of those. So getting my win rate slightly closer to 60%, because I think personally, the way I trade, I think 70% win rate is achievable. So at least what I'm thinking right now is that I have more to reach for. And my plan to achieve that 15% loss reduction in 2018 is actually extremely simple. You remember the trade I had short on Euro JPY? I waited 6 weeks to get filled short. So price, it went up over 200 pips. Then I got filled short. So instead of me waiting naked for a trade, a reversal trade like that, my job in 2018 will become to hunt for a trade in the direction into my position. So if I'm planning to go short, my job in the week or weeks before the trade happening is to actually build up a long that I can switch up there. I think that could be enough to actually achieve the goal. So I'm curious to see how that will affect my overall trading in 2018, since I have to do more work, but I really like it. So I already implemented that with Brent. So I'm extremely bearish on Brent itself, but I'm more long than I am short right now. And the chart you're seeing right here, that is Euro Swiss franc. I'm still in this and it's getting boring and it's taking forever for me to actually see any results from this trade. Right now, I'm paying swaps out of, yeah, I'm paying a lot of swaps right now just to hold this position because the swaps on this is costing me money, so negative swaps. But right now we are seeing some rejection right now on Friday. We took out Thursday highs and we rejected rather hard. So I think that this could be the green light for Euro Swiss franc to really have some downside. Right now, 115.86 is my first objective, so to say, in this, but I'm extremely bearish because of the commitment of trader support. So I want to hold this currency pair if it goes in my favor and just start to build a monster. So I had 3 monsters in 2017. My goal this year is to have at least 5. And that is almost double in terms of place. So that one will be hard. The loss reduction, it will not. Let's go to dollar Canadian. So on this currency pair, the only plan I have is to go short on a retracement into the EMA 50. And I myself, I don't have to worry about this. My EA, so the Forex robot I have, he's already set to sell the dollar CAD. So I want to build a bigger position in this because I'm extremely bearish on the dollar CAD itself. We have broken some extremely key levels. So I think this could accelerate and go even further. So 121 is actually on the table, if you ask me. So that is the entire plan for dollar CAD. Just go short on a EMA 50 touch and the program is already set. Euro dollar. Then the last video made about the euro dollar, you can probably spot the theme as well right now. So my plan is to execute a trade if I get failure on support or resistance. So we still are trading below 2017 highs. I really think that price will go above 2017 highs. So I will execute a trade if I see failure at previous support. And if you go above 2017 highs and fail at that level, that will be a fantastic trade. So I'm currently neutral. I'm just doing what price is telling me to do or not to do. So right now I don't have any positions for euro, so I don't have any skin in the game yet. So I'm just waiting for something to happen so I can take a trade. And that is my entire trade plan. And last but not least, let me just switch to the weekly chart quickly. This is Brent. I have showed the commitment of traders report. We are extremely bearish on this, or at least I am extremely bearish on Brent. The commitment of traders report, we are seeing historical short positioning from the commercial. We are actually more short right now than it was when price was trading at 115 and we went as low as $25. So the positioning now is even larger. So I really think that this could be a perfect storm, but who knows what happens. So here we go. So 69.50, that is my area of interest when it comes to Brent. Let me switch back to the 4-hour chart. Price is actually now higher than I anticipated. So when I saw this break right here, that made me, I took a short on this break since I love to fade breakouts, but I had to go long on a retest on support since I didn't see the price action to actually confirm my bias going into the trade itself. So right now I'm slightly more long than I am short, and my plan is to go short again at 69.50 if I see the trading setup that I want from Brent, since Brent is behaving in the same way every time it reverses. So it has two different price patterns. So I'm looking for either one of those and then take the trade. And to close up this video, I want to show you the first trade I had in 2018. In 2017, first trade I took ever was a very nice winner on GBP AUD. So a 1-to-5 risk versus reward trade. Story is not the same in 2018. So this is Euro GBP. We had a very nice break of a resistance. My trade plan was to go short on a retest on that support, since resistance should become support, and this was a 3.5 to 1 risk versus reward setup. And let's click play and see what happens. So you can see here I get filled and price did not give me green numbers at all. We just went straight down into my stop loss, and it is what it is. So the Euro JPY from 2017, that is stopped out as well, and I took this loss on Euro GBP too. So let's see if this trend continues in 2018 or if I'm able to turn this around, and yeah, let's see what happens. So that is everything that I have for this video. I will keep you guys updated in the upcoming videos on how this actually pans out. So, but the best setup that I'm seeing right now, at least in my opinion, that is shorting dollar CAD on retracements. So that is my main focus going into 2018. So I hope you enjoyed it. So until next time, good luck, and I will see you soon.